4.62 acres, $185,000. Secluded Country Home, Charlotte County, VA. If you like privacy, you have found the right property. Built in 2011, Tony Hirst Modular design with over 1,800 square feet. Open floor plan, family room, dining room, kitchen with bar. Laundry room. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, master bath with large walk-in closet. All appliances included. Screen back porch. Heat pump with air conditioner. Shop on the property. Location is off Highway 15, access to South Boston, Clarksville, Keysville, and Farmville. Minutes to Bugs Island Lake, state parks and much more. Call today for more information.